Welcome. I'm John Linehan, owner of All Concrete Raising. We raise concrete. Our concrete raising process is pretty simple. Let me share the benefits of concrete raising. Number 1, it's roughly half the cost of concrete replacement. Number 2, we do not disturb any landscaping. Number 3, we are typically in and out in hours versus days if you replace your concrete. Number 4, you can use your concrete the same day. Number 5, it's an environmentally friendly process with little to no waste. First, we drill approximately 1.5 inch holes in strategic locations to get an even lift. Second, we pump our slurry. Our slurry mix consists of a sand clay mix, and occasionally we add Portland cement. Third and finally, we patch the holes to leave your work site nice and clean. Some things that we can raise for you are garage floors, garage aprons, pool decks, patios, steps, walkways, and driveways. Anything concrete we can raise. We appreciate you taking the time to learn about All Concrete Raising. If you have any projects that you would like a free estimate on, feel free to call, email, or text. We would be happy to assist.